What's up, Cubers? In today's video, we are going to compare GAN 12 Maglev and GAN 15 Maglev. The unboxing experience of GAN 12 Maglev is very premium. In the accessories box, you get these adjustment tools and extra magnets. You get some manuals and a GAN pouch. Coming to the cube has a very premium and fancy box. I like the GAN 15's packaging more than the GAN 12 packaging. Here we have a collection card and a new box design. You get extra magnets. This is center cap removal tool and this is adjustment tool. Talking about customizability, the GAN 12 maglev comes with dual adjustment system. You can adjust the corner to core magnet strength from here. The magnet rods are replaceable. Coming to the GAN 15, you cannot remove the center cap like this. You will need this tool to open it. The bottom gear is for maglev compression and the top gear is for centerpiece travel. You cannot adjust the magnetic strength from here, but you can still change the magnetic rods. The HP's design of GAN 15 is very simple. It does not come with repelling magnets. Coming to the auto alignment, GAN 15 has stronger auto alignment than the GAN 12. Now comes the most important part of the video, the performance. So GAN 12 maglev is extremely fast cube. It corner cuts really well. I don't have any issues with corner cutting, but you will have to tighten the cube, tighten the maglev settings as the cube is very fast. You will also have to add weight 5 or any heavy lift to slow it down because it is a very uncontrollable and fast cube. I don't have any catching issue with this cube, but it sometimes pop up. Coming to the GAN 15 maglev, it's extremely light, it does not catch up, and the best cube on the market. Its corner cutting is the best in the world. The cube is very airy and fast, and same like the GAN 12, you will have to do a heavy setup, use a heavy lube in it to slow it down, or it will be very fast. I don't think that the cube is uncontrollable. It is controllable out of the box. The magnetic strength is also perfect. The cube is very stable. And what to say, it does not have any issues at all. Now in the last of the video, we are going to do time solves on both of the cubes. This is the GAN 12. And oh no. 10.91. Now we have the GAN 15. Wait. So many rotations. Coming to the verdict, which cube should you get? The GAN 15 or the GAN 12? Now the GAN 12 is really cheap as many cubes have been released after the 12. The winner is the GAN 15 because of its weight, its simplicity. It's the best cube, but you can still go for the GAN 12 maglev. It is the best alternative for the 15 because yeah, there is difference, but it's not that much. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.